And as you can expect with technology, there were some glitches for those logging into their classrooms virtually, but many superintendents say they're happy with how the first day went. Let's bring in Rachel Menentoff now. She is live with a recap for us and the calls tonight from some for students to now return to the classroom. Rachel.
Rick, many superintendents say they were able to sit in on some of those virtual classes today and that it was exciting to see students and teachers learning together again. But there are some parents who say the virtual instruction is just not as effective as the in-person instruction, especially for students with special needs.
When the announcement of virtual-only model came out, like many of you, I found this unacceptable, especially for our special needs children.
Adam Wyndham's daughter Emily has Rett syndrome, a rare medical condition which means she has many medical and physical challenges. At an Open Schools Now rally outside of Anne Arundel County School headquarters, her dad says the virtual model doesn't work for students who require special attention.
My suggestion would be to provide meaningful in-person support and education and services for special needs students. And by that, I mean more than 2 hours and more than 3 schools.
The Anne Arundel County Superintendent released a statement saying that it remains committed to bringing students and staff back into school buildings as soon as local health officials agree that it's safe to do so. Baltimore, Howard, Harford, and Carroll counties, along with Baltimore City, all started off the year virtually.
Those teachers that I got to see really had prepared for young people in ways they have never been asked to before.
Baltimore City Schools CEO says they did see a lot of traffic on their helpline with families who need support with passwords. Howard County Schools say they also had some technical glitches, citing a heavy load, which caused some users to experience slow login times and difficulty connecting to the internet. They did have staff standing by to help.
I was excited. The students were excited when I joined the classrooms. The staff members were teaching, and that's what I appreciate on the first day of school.
Students like Gadani Rodriguez, an 8th grader in Baltimore City, says she's still getting used to the new normal.
It's been a little weird, different, mostly because every day we've been in school using paper and pencil. Now we just have to use computer and technology.
Several cities and counties say they will consider allowing some in-person instruction later on this fall. For example, Anne Arundel County says it hopes to bring students with special needs back to the classroom in small groups. I'm Rachel Menentoff reporting live tonight for WJZ.